So hello guys, this is Parth. You are watching Cyberlife. So in this video, I am going to tell how you can resolve an issue which comes in Windows 11 installation. When we install Windows 11 through a setup or through a bootable pen drive, then this issue comes that this issue tells that the PC cannot run Windows 11 because the PC cannot fulfill the requirements. So we will fix this issue in this video. So let's get started.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So guys, this issue is a normal issue which comes in every Windows 11 installation because these requirements are very higher than a normal PC requirement. So you should use my new ISO Windows 11 file, which I will provide in the description, because that file will help on installing your Windows 11 through setup or USB bootable pen drive. Because the old Windows 11 ISO file which I will provide in the previous video has this issue which tells that PC cannot run Windows 11. But on this new iOS one, I have fixed this issue, so you can try that one. So if you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button and press the subscribe button for my channel. If you face any problem regarding this, then you can comment me in the comment box. And thanks for watching.